Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through 6 tools that you need to get your funnel building started. Hey everyone, if you have maybe heard about marketing funnels, but you're not really sure what they are and how to build one, this is the video for you. A marketing funnel is simply just the process of getting someone from being a stranger to becoming a customer in our business. Every single one of us has a marketing funnel. If you're an e-commerce site, it goes somebody clicks on your website, adds to cart, initiates checkout, adds their payment details before purchasing. If you're a service-based business, it might be somebody comes to your website, fills in a consultation form, you get on the phone call, and then they become a customer. This is a marketing funnel. And if we really want to scale our business and we really want to take our business to the next level, we need to have a funnel that converts profitably. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through my favorite tools that allow us to do just that. First of all, you are going to need a tool that allows you to create the assets within your funnel. Now, when I say assets, I essentially mean pages, and pages, I basically mean web pages. Now, the reason we want a tool that allows us to create something other than just using our website is because when we get people into our funnel, we often send people to what's called a landing page, which is a page that we send people to that has one clear call to action that we want them to take. And I have a video on landing pages solely, just if you want to go and learn more about them. A landing page is a place that we send people with the purpose of them taking one call to action. When we send people to our website, there's so many distractions with different menus and different places that people can click that they're not designed to convert. So our funnels are really all about conversion. And so we want to get a tool that allows us to create landing pages, to create our funnels really easily and quickly. And there's lots of different tools out there on the market: ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Unbounce, and also depending on your email marketing software, if you use something like MailChimp or ConvertKit, you're going to be able to create landing pages and very basic funnels within those tools as well. My favorite tool of them all is ClickFunnels because it's just so easy and fast and simple to create landing pages and to create funnels. Even if you want a simple funnel or a complex funnel, ClickFunnels allows you to do that. Now, I have mixed feelings towards ClickFunnels and I've got videos on that specifically, but ClickFunnels for me seems to be the best software out there for creating your funnels regardless of how simple or complicated you want them to be. Now, I touched briefly there on your email marketing software, and that is the tool number 2 that we need. We need a really good, solid email marketing software. A piece of software that allows us to send emails out to people that sign up for our thing. So if we've got our funnel running and we're sending people to a landing page to download a free guide, for example, we want all of those people to then go into our email list so we can continue to communicate to those people via email. Now, there's lots of different options out there for email marketing software as well, such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Aweber. ClickFunnels has their own email marketing software within the tool itself as well. The one that I prefer, the one that I've used for years now, is ConvertKit. Now, when I first started in business, I used MailChimp and I found it was a really nice tool, but it just didn't have some of the complex tagging features and automations that I really wanted and needed. And so ConvertKit gives me all of that. So it's really cool. If you're sending out an email to your big email list and you've got a specific offer, we can tag people if they've clicked on the offer link, which means we can send them follow-up emails that are more relevant to how they've interacted with our emails. Also, for me, I'm a very visual person, and ConvertKit allows you to build your email marketing sequences very visually. So we can say when somebody signs up to this form, they go into this sequence. If they do this, they go into that sequence. If they don't do this, they go into that sequence. And it's just very nice and visual. And I believe ActiveCampaign does the same as well. But for me, ConvertKit's just been the easiest tool to use from a user experience point of view. Tool number 3 is Rev.com. They are essentially a transcription service. So they will create the captions for the videos that you create. Now, if you're looking to build an audience online, you're wanting to get more engagement on Facebook and YouTube and Twitter and LinkedIn, then you need to be creating captions for your videos. The vast majority of people are going to be watching videos without the sound. And so if you want to capture their attention, if you want to get them to watch your videos, you need to be creating content that allows them to watch your videos even if they're not watching it with sound. So by using rev.com, you can send your video to them, they'll transcribe it, create your captions for you, and you can then use that caption file when you're uploading it to Facebook and LinkedIn and Twitter. And it means people that are watching without sound will also be able to watch your video. A fun fact for you is the average watch time for a video on Facebook is just 6 seconds, which means we really need to capture people's attention straight away. And if we are not catering for the majority of people, which is people that are watching without sound, then we're missing out on that big chunk of views that we could be getting, and your potential customers could be in that audience. And you know what? They will be in that audience. It's just so important, because if you're spending a ton of time coming up with the ideas for your video content, creating your video content, promoting your video content, and you're missing out on views because you're not putting captions in them, it's just a massive opportunity. It's just a waste of time and a waste of money and resources for you. Now, I actually have a link below that'll give you $10 off your first order with Rev, so be sure to go click on that, take advantage of that offer, because they're a great company and the service that they offer is just spot on. Tool number 4 is more just a general list of tools around tracking. When we're sending people to a funnel, a landing page, a sales page, it's vital for us to know what they're actually doing when they visit that page. Because when we launch a funnel and we send people to a page, we don't know how it's going to convert until we send people to it. If we don't have tracking tools in place, we're not going to get any data back. So we don't know how well that page or that funnel is performing. So there's some amazing tools out there that allow us to do that. The likes of Google Analytics, a very simple one. It's going to allow us to see the bounce rate. It's going to allow us to see how long are people spending on our page, which can be great. If we're sending people to a page and we see that they're not spending any time on it, it means we're not capturing their attention fast enough. If we see that people are spending a ton of time on the page, but they're still not buying, then we know they're reading the content, but they're not buying. So we need to think about how can we improve the copy? How can we improve the experience on that page? One of my favorite tools is, of course, the Facebook Pixel. If we're running Facebook ads to our landing page and our funnel, we want to be able to track how well those ads are performing. We want to be able to track how much are we spending to acquire a lead, to acquire a customer, and we need the Facebook Pixel installed on every stage of our funnel if we're going to track the performance of our ads. Finally, I want to give a shout out to Hotjar as well. Hotjar is an amazing tool that allows you to go super geeky on the numbers and what people are doing and their behavior on your funnel and your page. You install it onto your site, onto your page, and you can actually, it records people as they go onto your page. So we can see how they scroll, we can see when they click off, we can see which buttons they click on, we can see if they watch your videos or not. It just gives you incredible insight into how people are behaving on your site, which is so important, because when we launch our funnel, we launch our page and our website, we don't know how people are going to interact. And so Hotjar lets you actually watch those people, which gives you incredible insights. Now, inside the Funnel Academy, my online membership around marketing funnels, we actually give all the members a 90-day free trial to Hotjar. So if you're interested in that, be sure to sign up to the Funnel Academy by using the link below in the description. My 5th tool is Fiverr. Now, chances are if you're building a funnel and you're creating ads and landing pages and sales pages, you're going to need some designs and some graphics created. Maybe you need a video edited for your sales page or your opt-in page. Well, Fiverr is a place that allows you to go and hire different people, different skill sets to get really quick graphics and video editing done cheap. And it's not just graphics and video on Fiverr either. You can find a whole host of different people with different skill sets on Fiverr, which is going to allow you to start outsourcing things, which means from a funnel perspective, if you can outsource the graphic design and the video editing and whatever else you may need, it means it's going to free up your time to do things like track the numbers better, to roll out more tests, to really focus on the things that you should be focusing on. Now, one thing I would say about Fiverr is just be careful with who you decide to work with. Because the people on there are offering services for typically relatively cheap, you might not get the best quality of service. So just make sure that you choose somebody that looks legit, that has examples of work that they've done in the past. Because I say you might want a video on your sales page or your opt-in page, but we don't want to just do that for the sake of doing it. We don't want to just go and hire someone on Fiverr so we can put a video on that sales page. We want to make sure that we're hiring someone that actually has a skill set that allows that video to create a better experience on our sales page, our opt-in page, or on our funnel in general. And number 6 out of my tools is, of course, Facebook ads. My favorite. If we've got a funnel, we need to send people to that funnel. And if we want to send people to that funnel, we need to send the right people to that funnel. And Facebook ads is the best way, hands down, to drive the right people to your funnel. And what's going to happen with Facebook ads is we can send people to our funnel. We can see how many people have seen our ad, clicked our ad, converted as a result, and hopefully purchased as a result of our Facebook ad. And it's going to give you a sense of whether that funnel works or not. Because when it comes to building funnels, the most important thing is getting a stranger to become a customer at a profit. And when we're running Facebook ads, it makes it very easy for us to see how much are we spending and how much are we getting back. There's no better tool, there's no better advertising platform than Facebook ads just now for sending people to your funnel and getting them to convert. Okay, there we have it. Those are my 6 favorite funnel building tools. I hope you found this video super useful. If you'd like to learn more about the tools, you'd like to get access to discounts on tools like these, and you'd like to get support and guidance as you build your marketing funnel, then be sure to check out myfunnelacademy.com. The link will be in the description below, which is my online membership program that gives you hours of epic training content on how to build a marketing funnel, as well as the support from me and the support as the peers inside the community. And we would love to work with you on your marketing funnel. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, drop a comment with any questions you have, share it with a friend that needs to see it, hit subscribe and hit that bell notification because it's my surname. It makes me happy, and I will see you in the next video.